What's the meaning of abusive? Abusive. 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 Abusive is an adjective that describes someone who is cruel or violent towards another person. It can also be used to describe someone who uses harsh or insulting language. Abusive behavior can take many forms, including physical violence, emotional abuse, and verbal abuse. It can have a devastating impact on the victim, both physically and emotionally. If you or someone you know is being abused, please seek help. There are many resources available to help victims of abuse.